Let's go into Target to see the deals for week May 19th. And there's several promotions that we'll take advantage of, including our favorite, spend $50, get $15 on household items. There's a deal on the Advanced Nature Made Vitamin multivitamins. You can get them for $14.99. There's 1,300 kicks over on Shopkick, and there's a $3 Ibotta rebate, making it $6.79. You should be able to do this for the his, the hers, and the adult vitamins. The One-A-Day Teen also has a promotion. They're $16.99, and if you buy two of them, that's $33.98. There's a $5 Target gift card for buying two, and then there's an $8 Ibotta rebate. It brings it down to $20.98, or about $10.50 each. This is a good savings, especially this is a large bottle of vitamins. And it's for your teens, and usually teens are deficient and they're not getting enough, so great deal to stock up. So I wanted to point out these native deodorants. They're really small. They're the travel size. They're buy three, get one free. So if you buy three at $2.99, actually you're going to get four. That's $8.97. You get a $5 Target gift card, making it $3.97. So they end up being about $1 a piece. So the Nivea Intense Healing Lotion is still on promotion. Spend $25, get 5. So it's $15.98, plus you get the larger bottle at $10.99. You spend $26.97. You get $9 back on Ibotta, $2 back on Swagbucks, and the $5 gift card, leaving it to be $10.98 or $3.66 each. Now, you could swap out one of those Niveas for an Olay lotion. They're $9.99. There's $2 back on Ibotta. And this product counts towards the spend $25, get a $5 gift card. If you like this dry shampoo, it's $8.99. And you get $2.50 back on Ibotta. It counts towards the buy four, get a $5 Target gift card on hair care items. So this is the hair care deal that I purchased. You get 2 of the Pure Zero shampoos or conditioner and 2 of the Pure Zero dry shampoos. It's $5.69 times 2, which is $11.38. There's a digital coupon on the shampoo, and then $6.99 times 2 for the dry shampoo, which is $13.98. It totals $25.36 minus $6 on Ibotta, another $5 on Ibotta, and a $5 Target gift card, leaving it to be $9.36, or $2.34 per item, which this is a great deal, and I do want to try these products. So the soft soap's on great deal this week, and get it for totally free. Now you got to be careful because not all of them attach to the Ibotta rebate, and not all of them attach to the buy four, get a $5 gift card. So I got the antibacterial rose water and aloe scent ones. I got 4 of those for $9.96. There's $2 on Shopkick, $3 on Ibotta, and $5 Target gift card, leaving it to be a 4-cent moneymaker overage. And just double check all your products in the apps before you purchase. So the Dial hand soap's on sale. If you want to do this too, you have to do it in a separate transaction because it works towards the same gift card. Buy 4, get 5. So it's $8.96 minus the $5 Target gift card. After the gift card ends up being $3.96 or 99 cents each. Great deal. Now we'll look at some items that count towards the personal care deal of buy 4, get a $5 gift card. I didn't personally do this deal, but I'll show you some items that you could purchase. If you like the Dove body scrub, it's $6.29. There's 10% off using the Target Circle app, and then there's a $3 digital coupon that you can clip right inside the app, leaving it to be $3.29. So this Everyman Jack deodorant is $6.49. There's $2 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $4.49. And you can do this up to 3 times. If this is your deodorant of choice, stock up. I very rarely see rebates on this item. This product from Hydro Silk also counts towards the promotion. It's $5.99 and there's a $4 digital coupon in the app. You could also get the Skintimate shaving cream towards the promotion. It's $3.99 and there's a $1 digital coupon in the app, bringing it down to $2.99. You could also get the new Dove body wash. It's $9.99. There's a $2 digital coupon in the app, $3 in Ibotta, bringing it down to $4.99. So the new Dove bar soaps also count towards this promotion. They're normally $5.39. There's a $2 digital coupon in the app, a $3 Ibotta rebate, leaving it to be 39 cents. I found these on clearance on the end cap. I was surprised because it is a new item, so I saved a little bit more. So now I'll show you what I did for the spend 50, get a $15 gift card, and then I'll show you a few more items that you could substitute or add into your deal. So I started with the Persil product. I got the pods that were $13.99. There's a $3 digital coupon in the app and $4 back in Ibotta, leaving it to be $6.99. I also picked up the Almighty Power Packs. They are $16.99. There's a $1.50 digital coupon inside the app, $4 back in Ibotta, leaving it to be $12.49. I like all these pods. I'm giving them away as graduation gifts to those going to school. So the next item I got was Arm & Hammer Power Packs. They're $11.99. There's a $1 digital coupon in the app and a $3 Ibotta rebate, leaving it to be $7.99. I added in the Ajax. It's $2.59. There's a $1 digital coupon, 75 cents back on Ibotta. You end up paying 84 cents after the rebates and the coupon. And the last item I added in was the Palmolive for $4.99. There's a $1 digital coupon in the app, a $1.50 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $2.49. So this is my spend 50 deal. I ended up paying $30.80 after Ibotta and coupons, and I got a $15 Target gift card back, leaving my total to be $15.80. You could add in or substitute the Palmolive Free and Clear. It's $3.99. There's a $1 digital and a $1 back on Ibotta, making it $1.99. The marketing says they're taking out all the unnecessary ingredients. The Clorox laundry sanitizer is a good substitute. It's $6.99. You get 2 of those for $13.98. There's $5 back on Swagbucks, bringing it down to $8.98. or $4.49 each. You could also substitute this laundry detergent. It's $15.99. There's a $3 digital coupon in the app, leaving it to be $12.99. These Tenderful cat treats ended up being an awesome deal. It was buy one, get one 30% off, and it was a 25% off discount. So they ended up being $3.56 minus a $2.58 rebate I got back on Ibotta, made these each less than $1 and less than 50 cents each. The Life Cuisine's not on sale, but you can get them for $4.49 minus a $1 Ibotta rebate. Select large family-size General Mills cereal at 2 for $9. There's a $1 back on 2 on Ibotta, leaving it to be 2 for $8. And they're pretty large boxes. This deal is still going on. The first aid, buy 3, get a first aid bag for free. You can check out my last Target video for the deal. And here's an example of how you can use the allergy gift card promotion. You buy 2, get a $5 gift card. So if you buy a 10-count Zysol and an 80-count, that's $45.48, minus a $10 digital coupon in the app, minus $6 on Ibotta. Plus, submit for a $10 Activate Rewards Visa card when you spend $40. I'll leave the link in my description. You get the $5 gift card back, leaving it to be $14.48 or just over $7 each. Thank you for tuning in. I hope I gave you some ideas on how to save some money on your household items and allergy relief and vitamins this week. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more.